right, so this is test, the test rectangles that we made for the scanning offset adjustment. And remembering that we had to have our scanning offset adjustment on the machine turned off for this to work. Otherwise, these would show up probably pretty close to straight, and it would defeat the purpose of the test. But if you'll notice, there's an offset between those two lines. And this is at 200 millimeters per second. And you can measure this with a caliper. I've got a USB microscope, and it came with a translucent sheet that actually had a millimeter cut up in graduations. You know, a little card, a transparent card you can lay over it. That was a scale. You know, that was down to that, and it would be really good for that. But you just need to get an accurate measurement of what that offset distance is from that beginning of the one line to the one that's underneath it on one of those. And this is 400 millimeters per second, I think. Yeah. And 400 millimeters per second, it's a little bit more pronounced. The interval is a little bit more. And we'll go to 600. And you can see as the speed increases, those values can change. Not always bigger, but typically I think that's the way it is. That's at 800, and this is 1,000. So you'll want to take measurements for each one of those. For the 200, the 400, the 600, the 800, and the 1,000, and record those. And those are the values that you are going to type in to the scanning offset.